this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JLab headsets or your earbuds to your Google Pixel phone. Swipe down from the top right and we want to go to Settings. Go to Connected Devices. And now we want to go to Pair New Device. Then open up your case and remove your earbuds. So we got this. Make sure it's fully charged here. And once you remove them, this is going to put them into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So if you can see these lights blinking, that's a good sign. They should pop up under here. We got the JLab Go Pop Plus. We can go to pair. And they should be connected now shortly. And we can tap it right here. We can go to this and we can see the earbuds. So they may work or they may not. You can always repair them. I think there's two different pops up that you may see. So you can always just add the other one if you see two different ones. So here it is. This is the one we want with the little headset. And then once we add this one, it should work. If you can see the battery life, you added the correct one. So we can save this now. And then we should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.